Right, so if you have read and understood, considering the history
Okay.
of station, you can please.
I'll enter the room and I'll greet the patient. Hello. Hi, good morning. I'm Dr. Nadim, one of the candidates, examination candidate. May you please confirm your name and age?
Yes, I'm for 2 years.
Okay, doctor, nice to meet you.
Me too.
May I please ask you what brings you here?
Actually, I have pain in my back.
Okay, really sorry to hear that. Can you please explain more? How did it start?
Yeah, it started in the lower back. It's last for 24 hours.
Okay.
24 hours, and it is severe pain. Yeah,
Okay.
and radiate to the back, to the lower leg. Yeah.
I can imagine how much pain you're going through. Can you please tell me, is it going to other area also, or is it just going down the legs, both legs?
Both legs.
Okay. And is there anything which can aggravate it more, or which can relieve it?
I don't know what's aggravated because it is a sudden onset and
Yes.
for 24 hours.
Okay.
What makes it
So
worse?
can you please? Okay. So you did you have any kind of trauma? Something hit you, or you had a history of fall?
No.
Which led to this?
No, I don't have that. No.
Okay. And did you have any kind of surgery in past on your back?
No,
or any
I don't have.
Okay, fine.
No.
And can you please tell me, did you have any kind of temperature?
No, actually, no, I don't have.
Okay. And any history of weight loss or loss of appetite?
Yes, I have. But it's intentional, not intentional.
Okay, you mentioned about weight loss. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And can you please tell me if you had history of weakness in any part of your body during last few months?
Yes, I told you, but just the pain in the back, the idea to the lower leg. No, that's all.
Do you have any strange feeling of sensations down your leg, or in the down the buttocks, or in the genital area? Is there any sensation change?
No.
Any strange sensations? Any burning or electric?
Yeah.
Okay.
But,
is it numbness or is it pain?
Pain, just pain.
Okay. How is your bowel habit? Like, are you able to control it, or are you constipated?
Yeah.
Can you please mention?
Could you specify which one? Constipated or?
Like, I want to ask that, can you control?
Yeah, I control.
Stools? Okay, you can control. You can have the feeling. And what about the waterworks? Can you control that too?
Sometimes I couldn't.
Mm-hmm. And what about sexual function? Is it intact, or do you have any problem with that too?
Yes, I don't have any problem with that.
Okay. And can you walk normally even with pain, or you're not able to move around?
No, I can walk. I can do our job.
Okay. Can you please tell me if you had any history of surgery in past?
No, I told you that I don't have any surgery before.
Okay, thank you. And did you have any kind of tuberculosis in past, any chest infections?
No, I don't have.
Any sugar or high blood pressure?
No.
And did you have any kind of family history for cancers especially?
Actually, my father died from the cancer.
Oh, I'm really sorry to hear that. Can you please tell me what do you do for a living?
I'm working in the shop.
Okay, in shop. And do you lift heavy objects? Is it included in your job nature?
Yes, sometime I lift hard
Okay.
books, heavy books. Yeah.
And are you living alone or live with some partner?
I live in with my partner.
Fine. And can you please tell me, do you smoke or drink?
I smoke and I drink also.
How many cigarettes a day?
20 cigarettes per day.
For how many years?
For 2 years.
And drink?
Drink 3 to 4 units in the weekends.
Okay, thank you. And can you please tell me, do you have any allergies to any kind of medicines?
No, I don't have any allergy to the medicine.
Right. And can you please tell me, what do you know about your condition now?
Okay, can you present your history now? Thank you.
Okay, I have taken history of 42-year-old gentleman
Yes.
who is suffering from back pain, which is radiating down without disturbing the sexual, bowel, and urinary functions. He did not have any history of trauma or surgery in past, no history of TB, no non-drug allergy, works as a shopkeeper, and his job involves lifting heavy objects as well. So based on this history,
You
my
said
duty would be...
no, has not affected his bowel or ever, but hasn't been able to empty the bowel today. Okay, so what are your differential diagnoses?
Yeah, it may be functional backache, or if the condition is severe, but he did not mention about the bowel and
yes, it's written. Pain is severe and it has changed in nature in the last 24 hours.
Then it may
so
be...
what are your differential diagnoses?
Yes, differential will include spinal canal stenosis, lumbar disc prolapse, nerve impingement, osteoarthritis,
yes,
and muscular pains.
How would you confirm your diagnosis?
After taking thorough history and especially thorough examination, especially of the back joints and neurological and musculoskeletal examinations.
Yes.
After that, I'll do the X-ray of back, and also MRI back, lumbosacral area, to confirm my diagnosis. If needed, then electromyographic studies will also be needed if there is any loss of power.
What are the management options that you'll offer to this patient?
Well, conservative and surgical. Conservative will include painkillers.
Do you think patient would do any good to patient with conservative management right now?
For now, it will be rest, pain management, and after that, if the there is spinal canal stenosis or lumbosacral
what
compression.
else could there be which has affecting or which is affecting patients' patients' functions like?
Yes, it can be vitamin B deficiency. Maybe due to
syndrome. It's Cauda-Equina syndrome.
Vertebral mats.
Cauda-Equina syndrome. So it is called red flag symptoms, which patient is telling or depicting. So you have to pick those, and the age group is also typical. It's between the onset of less than 20 or greater than 50. So it's kind of that age group as well.
Sudden onset. I agree
and
with you.
Sudden onset, and then there is
after pain management, I will involve the neurosurgeon. I will call the MDT neurosurgeon and this orthopedic involvement, and also steroid injection.
Yes.
Along with
so
painkillers.
There will be urgent surgery because there are compression of cord. So and radiotherapy, so that you would have to do it urgently, urgent management of this patient. So what was something that you missed with the history taking? Was there anything that you missed? You were
Maybe I
still
didn't.
taking the history when the bell went.
Yes, the systemic history, head, chest, abdomen.
Okay, and my simple request when you were asking about to rule out any comorbidities, you don't use the word, do you have any sugar? What is sugar? I mean, that is layman, okay, but everyone understand diabetes and hypertension and any joint condition. So you can maybe ask like this. Anyone else? Dr. Bilal raised hand, yes.
Yeah, you already answered my query. Actually, there's a sudden change in the nature of the pain. So this should prompt us to think about chorda equina, which is surgical emergency. So you already mentioned that. Thank you.
Okay, Dr. Jafar, you want to add anything?
Yes, about he's good presenter, so,
yes.
but yeah, he tried to choose a lot of words, such as you said in the past medical history. You can say, do you have any medical illness?
For which you have to go to the GP, like
yes. This is one. The other one, if instead of you said, have you had any medical allergy? So put it in general. Have you have any allergy in general?
No.
Which included the
allergy is not allergy. You're not interested in any allergy to medications. Drug allergy you're after. So medication.
So because if he said, but I have some allergies to others. So if I said in general, do you have any allergy? So if I said for medication, I told the medication. If the other, so I put it is so important.
No allergy to medication he has to rule out. And one, when you were asking if pain radiates anywhere, if it spreads, or if it instead of using radiates or these terms, aggravates, okay, does it get worse? So when you said it doesn't go to genitalia, patient may not even know what genitalia is. You can say if it moves to private parts. So does it move anywhere? So like try to use the terms which are more layman and they're acceptable as well.
And one thing I missed is that
latex allergy,
focus more on the stem, like even if the patient is not saying much about bowel function or sexual function.
Yeah, that would also be affected because red flag symptoms all are mentioned. So if you compare this with the history with Dr. Ilmun took, both have back pain. So see how the symptoms differ, how scenarios are different from that simple back pain, and this is more aggravated symptoms. And management also differs. So sign and differential diagnosis also differs. Here, your first will be chorda equina. Second, you can have disc prolapse. Third, you can have spinal stenosis. And then fourth, you can have box fracture or anything. Because you did ask about the TB. So you were trying to rule out what is causing sudden change in patient's back pain. So good. So that's how you can you'll formulate your differential diagnosis, and that's how you'll tell your management at the end. Good. And here is your question.